Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, do you see this air vent? I'm gonna change it. It's very easy to do because it's horizontal. Because for horizontal you need a matching something that fits the gap. You don't need some to put in any screws. Although if you want you can still do it, but I don't find any need. But if it is vertical, like coming from your roof, then definitely you need, because if you don't hold it properly, it's gonna fall and it may fall on someone's head. You don't want, right? Now why I'm replacing it? Two reasons. First of all, it's very old and it is like this movement is not good, so I want to take this off. So earlier I had sticked it with tapes, I just took it off. What I'm gonna do, I have purchased something from Amazon with plastic, okay, because if someone steps on it, if it is old and rusty and if someone steps on it, it may give cut, but with this plastic it will not happen. So I'm going to open this. Okay, it's ready. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these tapes. And then I'm also going to clean the area. Next, I just put it there because see, these are available in standard various measurements, so I've put it. Now if I want, I can stick tapes, but because the way it has been fit, I don't need actually. And still you see that hot air is coming out. Okay, so this definitely helps. Okay guys, and you see I can open it also, open and close also. Now more air is gonna come. If I want to close it, I can close also. So with this you can replace it in so many in a very easy way. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.